Alright, so magandang hapon sa lahat. At nagbabalik ang yung JJ the Maker. So kasama ko pala ang aming asawa. Yan, nasa likod siya. Say hi ka naman. Ayan, so yan, papunta kami sa isang steakhouse dito sa Pasig. Nalaman lang namin yung mura daw doon. Pupuntahan namin ngayon. So on the way na kami doon. Sana bukas at sana masarap. Right, so intro. Pasok! Ang dilim ng kalangitan at parang kukulan. Pero magpapagas muna tayo kasi paubos na ang aking gas. Sana hindi tayo makapunta at hindi ako may tuloy. Muna tayo. Pero nga pa namang siyang maulan. Kuya, punta. Unleaded. Kaya pa tayo mag-20. Hoping di na dumiretso yung ulan. Parating na tayo sa steakhouse at makapunta sa ito. Condesitas. Sumot-mot lang malakas. At ito na nga. At dito nagtatraffic sila. Eh di naman, muntik na yung tricycle. So, nasipay. Pinawagay na yung white towel. Suko na daw siya sa traffic. Kaso may parkingan pa. Actually, pupunta ka lang ng palengke para sumakay ng libre pupunta kaya. Medyo lang. Daming sakay eh. Parang tayo at langaw. Ikaw yung tayo, ako yung langaw. Kahit gaano ka pa kabantot, lalapitan at lalapitan pa rin. Yayakapin kita. Ganyan magmahal ang langaw sa tae. Kaya ikaw yung tae, ako yung langaw. Tae mo. Where are you? Lingling. Sana makuha. Love. Ganda.
Always on a high, you were always on my mind, dear Wichita. The days we were told would never grow old here in Wichita. We were down by the river all through the night, watching the stars and the city lights. Right from the start, said we never grow apart, dear Wichita.
Tagal na panahon na may ganyan na perfect curve eh.
Surrounded by colors, it's such a sight. Watching all the lovers fall into the night.
Oo, dire-diretso talaga. Dire-diretso.
All the moods in a heartbeat. We're going
Puntahan natin yung dulo pa kung may gold.
again. The same ground on our feet. Starts to shake with your all weekend.
Ito na tayo sa shortcut. Diba?
Winter turned to spring. I remember everything from Wichita.
Oo.
This town is on its knees, you know God is
Paswab
overseas,
tas.
I'm telling ya. Oh, it's more to this than what you see. You know this town's got the best of me.
Yan na tayo sa
Are we sure it's
The Bad Apple.
last time? Sure that this is the last
tayo ang sa The Bad Apple. The Bad Apple State.
Oh, we were down by the river.
So yan guys, so andito na kami sa The Bad Apple. Sinasabi kasi yung steak roast kanina. So, yun na natin.
You are my pill, I swallow it. Take me away to Neverland, where colors fade my disbelief and make me forget my memories. Rent a car you can't afford, put on a song that we both know. Let your hair out in the wind, put the pedal to the floor. Flame your light, take a smoke. Put your broken rip-off wafers on. Doesn't matter if the sun goes down, we'll still be up, still be up. Don't care about the place we found. We'll still be up, still be up. We're in this together, we both fall down. Doesn't matter if the sun goes up, 'cause we will still be high when the lights out. We can pretend the time is still. Stay in the daydream, chase the thrill. Make up the way as we go. Live for the moment, lose control. floor. Flame your lighter, take a smoke. Put your broken rip off wafers on. Doesn't matter if the sun goes down, we'll still be up, still be up. Don't care about the place we found. We'll still be up, still be up. We're in this together, we both fall down. Doesn't matter if the sun goes up, 'cause we will still be high when the lights out. With the lights out.
We say we love, we say